Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little spotlight on a limited edition collection from Catrice because the products are so good that I really wanted to show them to you, and also it was like one of the first collections in a long time where I felt like I want to try every product that they have and every shade that they have. I mean, you can see it's a small collection, so it was like easy to do so, but also the shades just all work on me and the formulas are so lovely. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about this little collection. It's called the My Core Essentials, and like the theming is a bit like going to the gym, having like easy breezy, no makeup, and the products are just so good. So let's hop right into it. Okay, the first thing we have here is this Hydra Reset body spray. It's not for the face, it's for the body. All of the packaging is like this soft velvety touch thing that I just can't get enough of. I want to touch it all the time, so I buy everything that Catrice or Essence releases with this kind of packaging. Yeah, this is a lovely body spray. It has a lovely scent to it, and let me try to explain it. It's a bit sweet, a bit fruity, super fresh and super nice. And the sprayer is such a good one. It's like, can you see how soft this is? I don't know. It's so good. It's so nice to spray it on. I like to have this in my bag and just spritz it on the go. And I don't have it for that long. The collection isn't out for that long, but I've already used up like this much, I think, which is quite a lot for me because I don't use body sprays all the time. But this is so nice as a touch-up in my bag. It's such a lovely scent. It doesn't linger a long time. It's really just to freshen up, but it's really a good one. And the spritzer is so good on this one. I will definitely be putting something else in there when I'm finished with this one here. And it has this super light yellow packaging. It looks so good. I love this collection. It just looks so beautiful. So yeah, a great body spray, would recommend it, love the scent of it. Then let's continue with the things that are in this lovely yellow packaging. This is a lip oil and there's only one shade. It's basically a clear one, and I love how it looks like. It's so cutesy. So it doesn't have a color. It's like a very nice thin formula. It's just like moisturizing and adding a bit of glow. And it's really nice to apply it on top of the lip tints that are in this collection. It just gives them a bit of a glow, and yeah, that's one just for like, you know, having in your bag, grabbing it when you want something moisturizing. It's a nice formula, it's not too thick, and yeah, I actually don't like clear lip products like this a lot, but I really enjoy this one. So yeah, another really good one from this collection. And then the last thing in this yellow packaging, I hope you can even see it, there's Catrice. This is something fun. This is the Magic Shine Eraser Gel, and it opens like this. It has a really nice mirror in it, and then it has like this silicone poof, I would say, and then you have this little plastic thing here. You open it, then you go in with the poof, you pick up some product. You really have to press because it's kind of a clear balm. What you can see here is like when I apply it on top of makeup, it takes some of the makeup onto this little silicone thing, and then, you know, it kind of puts a bit of color in here, but I think it doesn't matter. It really does erase the shine. It's like using a blotting paper or something. It does work. It's super nice, and it's nice to use on the go. I really enjoy it. I have it in my bag at all times now. Like, I can't remember when there was a collection this good from Catrice, to be honest, where like all the products really work the way they should. I don't know. I'm really amazed, and it's thin, but it also has this you know, this soft matte velvet touch to it. Love this packaging. So yeah, this is so good. And then we have these 4 products here. Both are like in one formula and then in 2 shades. So these are the Blushed and Beautiful Multi-Use Stick. The mauvey one is called Peak Power, and the more like neutrally brownish one is called Peak Pose. And they are both so lovely, like multi-stick, so you can use them on your cheeks, on your lips, wherever you want. I will swatch them in a second. Then we have these two lip tints here, and I can't find shade names on them. And I usually am very critical with lip tints, but these are so good. I mean, these are lip stains. Maybe that's a difference. I don't know. They have this velvet applicator and they stay on so long and so good. They are really, really amazing. And I usually really don't like lip tints because I feel like they never last long enough. So let me swatch both of them, and then we also swatch these two here. So at first we have the more, no, I have to swatch it somewhere where it doesn't matter if I still have it on later. Let me swatch it here. Okay, so here's the brownish one. You can get it quite deep, but you can also make it stay a bit lighter if you want to. Just don't apply too many coats of them. And then here we have the mauve shade. So you can just see, this is a bit more browny, warm tone. This is a bit more mauve, cool tone side. I like both of these shades. This one looks quite, I would say, purple on me because I'm so fair. So I prefer this one, but I do like both, and I do also wear them both. Then sometimes I do top these with the lip oil, as mentioned before, and sometimes I do top them with these two here. So these are for the lips and the cheeks. And they're such a lovely formula. I think that they are kind of like the Road blush sticks are described. I haven't tried them yet. So this is the mauve one. It's such a lovely cream formula. You can blend them out so easily just with your fingers, with a brush, whatever you want. And this is how they're looking like. It's like two perfect shades for me. So let me swatch. I will swatch them here on top of the other ones. No, maybe underneath. Okay, I will swatch the mauve one here. You can see lovely formula, lovely color, and this one here. So you see they match really nicely. So you can put them on top of these, and you can put them on the cheeks wherever you want. They look so good, and they are so creamy and easy to blend out. It's a wonderful collection, really. I'm so amazed by it. I love this collection. They did such a good job with this. So I highly recommend the cheek products, the lip stains, the lip oil, the body spray, and even this weird eraser thing here. It does work. It has such a nice mirror in it. So yeah, I think Dave did such a great job with this collection. I recommend really every product in here. If you only want to get one thing, I would pick up one of these multi-use sticks. They are so amazing. And yeah, I think a lot of people would enjoy them. The formula is so easy to work with, but it still shows up. It's so nice and lovely. So these two here, and I actually think, no, I also love these two. And the spray, of course. A lip oil is just something that I wouldn't need. But it's nice to have, and the packaging is so lovely. And this one here is also a bit of like a, well, I do also have a powder, but I'm getting very oily, so I want to try something else. And it does something else. Like my powder tends to be a bit like, it could look not cakey, but if I'm on the go, I have no time to like blot down and then put on powder. I can just do one thing. I feel like this is better than my powder because my powder tends to be a bit lighter than my foundation, and it can make it look a bit heavy sometimes when I touch up. So this is actually a great addition for me. So that's it for this little collection from Catrice. I would highly recommend it, as mentioned, and I just wanted to show it to you because it's so good. I don't show you like every collection that they bring out. You know, they release limited edition collections like every week a new one. I feel like one from Essence, one from Catrice, and so yeah, it's all new all the time. But I find that sometimes they do test formulas in these limited edition collections, which is great. And then if a formula is really good, they keep it in their permanent line. I think it's not the worst way to go about it with a brand, to just test it out with a limited edition and with a limited stock and colors and everything, and then they expand into the permanent line. So I hope that they did it with these two here and these two here, and I think they already have something like this in their permanent line. I don't know if they have body sprays. I feel like it's something new that they've starting to do. So, and they definitely already have lip oils. So that's it from me from today. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Let me know if you picked anything up and if you tried it and if you liked it. I would really like to know what you think about this collection. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye!